Do you want to create a favorites list on Instagram? You can add someone to your favorite list on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create favorites list on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To create a favorites list on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. Now, scroll down to the What You See section and tap on Favorites. Here, Instagram will automatically suggest some accounts to add to your favorites list. Review these suggestions and tap on the Confirm Favorites button if you want to add them. To add others to your favorites list, tap on the search bar or the plus icon at the top right of the screen. You'll see a list of people you follow. Search for the names of people or scroll through the list and tap Add next to the people you want to include in your favorites list. Once you've added people, you can see your favorites list in the same section. You can add or remove people from this list anytime. When you view your feed, posts from your favorites list will have a higher priority, ensuring you don't miss updates from these accounts.